Hello, my name is Landon Crawford. My project name is How Long Will the Boat Float? This is my table of contents slide. This is my abstract slide. My hypothesis is if the boat has more volume, then it will hold up on the water better because it can displace the mass of the pennies, therefore making it stay afloat. I used cellophane tape and aluminum foil to create 4 boats: a square, triangle, circle, and rectangle boat. My hypothesis was disproved by my data that I have collected from this experiment/project. As shown by my data, the average mean of the trials for the square boat, which had the lowest volume, was that it held 87 pennies, meaning it held a weight of 217.5 grams, and that its density was 1.11%, which was the highest density. This data can be useful to people like boat builders and other people who want to do this project. This data can benefit us because if you wanted to do this project yourself, well, this can benefit other people by showing them what to build if they are a boat builder. This can affect other people's daily lives by showing them what to build if they are a boat builder. This is my purpose and hypothesis slide. This is my research report slide. These are my variables. These are my materials I used. These are my procedures. This is my results for data table 1. I used the square, triangle, circle, and rectangle boats, and I measured their volume, pennies, weight, and density. These are my results for data table for trial 2. I used square, triangle, circle, and rectangle boats again, and used the volume, pennies, weight, and density, and I measured those. This is the results for trial 3. I used the square, triangle, circle, and rectangle boat again and measured the volume, pennies, weight, and density again. These are my graphs of buoyancy. The higher the volume of the boat does not determine that it will have the highest density before it sinks. My conclusion slide. My hypothesis of aluminum foil boats was disproven through the data I have collected. My hypothesis for this topic was if the boat has more volume, then it will hold up on the water better because it can displace the mass of the pennies, therefore making it stay afloat. This data for the project told me that a square boat was the best boat to make as it can easily displace the weight. This info could be used across the world as it could help people know what shape of boat has the best effect on the water. It could also help children win competitions like aluminum foil boat races, etc. Future experimentation could include real boat making instead of just aluminum foil. It is also possible that you could change what coins to use. For example, instead of pennies, it could be dimes or quarters. In conclusion, there are many ways that this experiment could go depending on your imagination and if you pay attention. This is my works cited and my photographs. In this first photograph, I am putting pennies into the rectangle boat with a picture of my other 3 boats. In this second photo, I have pennies put inside of the square boat. And on the picture to the far right, I'm in the middle of putting pennies inside of the circle boat. And this is a photo of my board. Thank you for listening to my slideshow.